Hi guys, today we'll be sorting the brakes out on the Evo X for under £30. There's one wheel off. As you can see, that caliper is pretty bad. Let's see what we can do. You can see it coming off. So as this one's quite bad, we've got a couple of chips to repair. I've got the red high temp and the black high temp, just to tone the red down a little bit because it's too bright. And then we put the 450 degree clear lacquer on. That's where the magic happens. Wow, what a difference. Absolutely spanking. Not bad for under 30 quid.